Hi, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to show you 3 things you guys could start doing today to help positively impact your business. I found that by giving people a free attack plan of things that they could start doing on their own, again for free, to help impact their business positively, has resulted in some of those business owners reaching back out to me to try and find out more tips, tricks, and tools of the trade that I might have and to help them along the way. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I'm obviously well versed at what I do, then go ahead and shoot me a message or email back and we can get started. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this plan that I give you today and implement it on your own, that totally works for me too. So let me not waste any more of your time and show you a few tips and tricks that can help your business. So the first thing I'm going to show you is just content quantity. So as we can see, this is your URL, and we can see you have almost 500 words. Unfortunately, Google's released that their algorithms are searching for a minimum of 1,500 words on that homepage. So you're missing the mark by about 1,000 words. So it's one of the most effective and easy ways to do it is just to add that content. So it's not going to get you to jump to the first page by any means, but it will help you to just check one of those boxes and meet a minimum requirement. And you will grow a few ranks. The second thing I'm going to talk about goes hand in hand, and it's the quality of that content. So what am I talking about there? Well, as you can see, these are the keywords that you have on your website. Home, improvement, supreme are the top 3, 11, 7, and 6 respectively. Now, why this is important is when someone types something into Google, Google's computers are going to run every website looking to match the person with what they're looking for. So I looked up Home Improvement New Jersey, and your number 1 competitor is right here, Magnolia Home Remodeling. Now let's look at their Seo Quake and see what they're doing. So they have almost 1,500 words, but we can see they have home and remodeling, just the first 2 right there, 61 and 55. We can see improvement at 30. So you can see that I think I typed in home improvement New Jersey. Well, they matched me with a 61 and a 30. So when you build that new content, because you're going to meet that 1,500 words, make sure you're using these keywords that you want to be found for. Now the third thing we're going to talk about is actually the most important in getting ranked on the first page in Google, and that's going to be your SEO. So if we take your website here and we take the URL and we plug it into this tool called Ahrefs, we can see that you have 1 backlink and you're drawing no traffic. So what a backlink is, it's a link from one website to another website, and when that happens it transfers some of that previous website's power, or link juice. And the more sites pointing at you is the more authority in Google's eyes. It's basically a giant popularity contest. So let's look at your competitor. They have a bunch, almost 900,000 backlinks, and that's why they're driving in 7,000 clicks a month on their website. So you can easily see how it translates. The more SEO you're doing, the more clicks you get. Just today, it was up to almost 7,000 clicks, 6,891 clicks through the month. So they're killing it, and that's just more clicks that you could have if you get to that front page of Google. So in closing, we discussed 3 things. We discussed getting 1,500 words of content on this homepage. We secondly discussed that you want to get that content with the keywords that you want to be found for. So whatever that be, home improvement, New Jersey, deck installation, New Jersey, roofing, New Jersey, additions, whatever it is, that's what you want to have in your content. And lastly, we discussed backlinking and the offsite SEO and how you want to have the most relevant sites point at you to show Google you're the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies today, there's no doubt in my mind that you'll slowly start climbing the pages of Google and make it to the front page of Google. So what now? Well, like I said, you can take the information and the plan that I gave you today and implement it yourself, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time so that you can focus on your business, then shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a good day.